When did I think that we needed to see farther ahead?
Because I came in,
Yeah.
and you already did that. You were like this building
I
you're
was
talking about
faking that I was doing that.
No way. There is no way
I
that
just
was
started
happening.
telling you.
No
I'm like,
way.
look at what we're going to do in 2 and 3 years. Half of that was bull. Because in my mind, I was thinking the smaller things. One of the good things about having, hey, if you have a Mariana around, if you, anybody, I don't know if it's her or just people named Mariana, if you got one around, hire them to be with you day to day, because then you can tell them your big plans, and then it actually becomes more real.
Okay.
If I tell my day-to-day employees, this is the plan, they freak out a little bit about that. How are we going to get there? Here's what can go wrong. I have problems today. But I tell you, and it helps me visualize where we're going to go to create those steps. So
Okay.
I still don't think I do it well enough.
So you lie to me on a daily basis.
Yes.